Are you preparing for system design interview and wondering how to prepare effectively? System design interviews assess your ability to architect complex systems, make design decisions, and communicate your ideas clearly. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience, having a structured roadmap can significantly boost your preparation. So, in this video, let's discuss the roadmap for system design interview preparation. Hi there, welcome to Tech and Career Bytes. I'm a software professional with over 2 decades of experience, including 7 years in leadership roles at a global product based organization. To effectively prepare for system design interviews, it's first crucial to understand the process involved in designing complex systems. So, let's first understand the process. The process begins with a thorough understanding and analysis of requirements. As you know, the requirements can be categorized into functional requirements that describe specific features and functionalities, and non functional that specify qualities and attributes like performance and reliability. After grasping the requirements, the next step involves estimating the necessary resources, including the number of servers, storage capacity, and network bandwidth required to fulfill both functional and non functional requirements. Step 3 is design elements selection. Common design elements such as load balancers, content delivery networks, domain name systems, distributed caches, and messaging systems offer pre designed solutions to typical challenges in distributed system design. Incorporating these elements streamlines the design process and avoids reinventing the wheel. The next step is to come up with abstract high level design. In this step, we develop an abstract high level design that identifies various system components while adhering to the single responsibility principle. This step provides an overview of the system architecture and helps in understanding the interactions between different components. In API design step, we need to define the various APIs and their communication protocols to ensure seamless interaction between different parts of the system, aligning with both functional and non-functional requirements. Here, we determine the necessary web communication and data fetch patterns to facilitate effective interactions between system components. While data modeling is not always a focal point in system design interviews, it is crucial to understand its principles and techniques. So, familiarize yourself with the data modeling concepts and be prepared to apply them if required during the interview process. And in the final step, we evaluate the design to ensure it meets all agreed upon requirements. Throughout the system design discussion, my suggestion is stick to the scope agreed at the beginning and bring to the discussion various distributed system concepts knowledge that you have. Now, let's explore what to learn to excel at each step of the system design process. To create efficient designs, it's crucial to grasp fundamental distributed systems concepts. So, familiarize yourself with the key terms including scalability, reliability, availability, software performance, various software performance metrics, fault tolerance, and maintainability. Many of these topics are covered in separate videos in this channel, so you can watch them and learn. System design often involves making trade offs between different factors such as performance, cost, complexity, and ease of maintenance. Optimizing one aspect of the system may come at the expense of others. Master the art of articulating the system design trade offs and hone your decision making abilities. Some of the design trade offs worth exploring are listed here. You can pause and note down the list. Back of the envelope calculations refer to quick and rough estimates done using simplified assumptions. They help us critically think about performance, scalability, and resource requirements. Some of the examples could be the number of concurrent TCP connections a server can handle, the number of requests per second a web database or cache server can handle, and the storage and network bandwidth requirements of a service. Practice and be comfortable with back of the envelope calculations. Ensure that the scale assumptions made during the back of the envelope calculations are reasonable and not overly exaggerated. In preparing for system design interviews, it's essential to understand common design elements like load balancers, which play a vital role in implementing both functional and non functional requirements. Listed here are necessary building blocks. Apart from the just mentioned building blocks, several other design elements commonly feature in system design discussions. You can see the list here. API design is an essential aspect of system design. A good grasp of network protocols, client server communication, API architecture styles, HTTP based web and data communication, security, etc. is recommended. Data modeling is designing the database schema and data storage mechanisms for the system. This includes database schema design, data partitioning strategies, indexing, caching, and data consistency mechanisms. Once you have a good understanding of the fundamentals, practice a system design for commonly asked problems like designing WhatsApp, YouTube, and seek feedback from online resources or mock interviews. Listed here are some commonly asked system design problems. I hope this structured approach to preparing for system design interviews helps you. You can find some learning resources in the description box for your preparation. I wish you all the very best. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tech topics. Also, do check out our other videos on software performance optimization case studies, system design, coding, big data, and career growth. My name is Rupa, and I thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.